are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and in-laws. I shall treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity allow lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.